Hi. Uh, Today we are going to understand how to connect the this Tritech Aquatrack 4 panel with the sensors. Okay, and the sensors are connected in parallel. Okay. Now, first of all, open the four screws of the Aquatrack 4 panel. You will find inside a PCB board like this. Okay, PCB board like this. Now this PCB board has four terminal sensor terminal, one, two, three, four sensor terminal, and also it has a power input line, earth and neutral. You can connect it to the power. Okay. Now in this terminal we are going to connect the sensor. We are going to connect the sensor with help of this control cable. Now this control cable has a four wire in it. Okay. Essentially we need only black and red, but black and red but in this case, since there are four wire, we can connect there are four wire, means red, yellow, blue and black. Essentially we need only red color and the black color, but since there are four cables, so we can connect red and yellow together and blue and black together. Okay, please remember same combination you have to use at the other end of the cable, so you keep constant red yellow together, blue black together. Okay. Now now when you mount once you mount this Aquatrack panel on the wall, then in the one sensor terminal there are 2 points. 2 points are there. There are 2 points. Every sensor has a 2 points. Okay, so put in one terminal, put red and yellow together, and in the black and blue together. Okay. Now at the other end of the cable, you have to use the same combination. You have to connect red yellow together, blue black together, and this is the sensor. You have to connect to the sensor. Sensor will be connected. To connect the sensor, first open the top. Okay, inside the top there is a terminal is given to connect the wire. Okay, so take out that terminal. Okay, take out the terminal. Now the cable, this you can put in the one red and yellow, and second in the blue and black. Now since you want to parallel the another sensor, so another sensor cable with the same color combination you have to put here, like here like here. You can see in this, you are connecting to the sensor terminal, black and red cable is going to this. Okay, and again parallel is connected to the other sensor. So in this terminal there will be the two pair of yellow and red, and here is the two pair of the blue and black. Okay, and then you will carry the cable from inside from this to the other sensor cable like this. You can parallel any number of the sensors. Okay, now once you connected the sensors, once you are connected the sensor and finish it, you have to give the power input. You can give the power input. Okay, power input uh, to the panel, and once you switch on the power, it will start. And then to check the sensor, anyway the sensor you can mount with this screw on the floor like this. You can screw it and mount the floor. Now once you are install the sensor, you can adjust the height. You can adjust the height of this height. You can adjust depending upon to increase the sensitivity. Okay, okay, you can adjust the height. This is the one. Okay, so once the water come inside the sensor will sense it and give the signal to the panel, and panel will give the alarm. And as I told you, here you can connect it the four terminals, four zone you can create it. Wherever there is a water leak in its corresponding zone, the corresponding LED in the front panel, corresponding LED zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 will be get red. Okay, just get red. And also you can snooze the alarm also. Okay, you can snooze the alarm also. Second thing is that sometimes even though you adjust the height, you will not get a alarm. So you will not get a alarm. So in that case, you can adjust the sensitivity. You can increase the sensitivity of the water leak detection system panel, and for that, increase the sensitivity of the panel also. That you can do after consulting with us. After consulting with us. So this way you can connect it in the you can connect it in parallel the sensor. Only thing you are remember that in the control cable, the any two cable you are which are the cable you are pairing at one end has to pair at the other end, because many people do the common mistake that they pair some color of here and other color at the other end. So that mistake has to be done. Otherwise, it's a very easy installation. And best of luck.